Welcome to the ExactFlow Purchase Agent module, your smart command center for forecasting demand, planning purchases, controlling costs, and buying with confidence. No guesswork, no panic orders, just data-driven purchasing. Start with Purchase Agent to forecasting. Here, ExactFlow predicts future demand using real sales data. See expected sales, weekly averages, and which items truly matter. The Forecast tab shows what will sell, SKU by SKU. Trending highlights fast-moving products before they explode. Alerts tells you exactly what to order, how much, and when. This is where purchasing becomes proactive instead of reactive. The Constraints page defines your supplier rules. Lead time, minimum order quantity, pack size. ExactFlow uses these rules every day to calculate reorders correctly, and it helps you avoid overstock, stockouts, and supplier mistakes. In statistics, see sales performance, SKU by SKU. Instantly spot top sellers, loss-making products, real profit and margin performance. This page ensures you don't restock products that sell well but lose money. The shipment page keeps supplier deliveries organized. Track what's coming, what's delayed, what's received. Add shipments, import invoices, update arrivals, and log SKU level costs, all in one clean workflow. No more lost paperwork or unclear delivery status. Upload supplier price lists and opportunities, and ExactFlow does the math for you. It calculates fees, VAT, operational costs, target margins. You instantly see what to buy, what to negotiate, and what to skip. This turns sourcing into a profit-first decision process. Use training horizons to retrain ExactFlow using 3, 6, 9, or 12 months of data. When demand changes, seasons shift, or new products arrive, you retrain and forecasts improve automatically. Meet your AI purchase assistant, your always-on buying expert. Simply ask, what should I reorder this week? Which SKUs are at risk? Show products with low margins, no spreadsheets, no filters, just instant data-driven answers that help you buy with confidence every time. The ExactFlow Purchase Agent module helps you. Forecast smarter, buy at the right time, control costs, reduce risk, protect margins. This is purchasing, intelligent, automated, and always prepared. This is ExactFlow.